the UMV's apple cider vinegar gummies with ginger. I take the fiber ones every day, so I thought I would give these a shot. These are like wellness made simple in one gummy. So the serving size is 1 per day. These are definitely not your typical supplement vibe. The natural apple aroma hits first when you open the bottle, and it does have a hint of ginger. So they're more gourmet than gummy. What I really did like, each gummy included that apple cider vinegar paired with the ginger for a smooth, balanced flavor. The texture is soft and chewy. It is not sticky and it is not rubbery. It was really easy to take one per day without feeling like you're eating candy. I didn't have to pull it off my teeth. It was fine. And the taste was surprisingly pleasant, crisp apple with just a little tang to remind you this is the real thing. This is apple cider vinegar. If you know what it tastes like, then you're going to know what these taste like. The final verdict, the UMVs, they turned a classic wellness ingredient, apple cider vinegar, into an easy and enjoyable daily habit. These are so ideal for anyone who wants the benefits of the apple cider vinegar without having to take the harsh liquid. Ugh. Convenient, great tasting, and made with quality ingredients. And for me, that is really how supplements should feel. This review is sponsored by UMVs.